This is me, Abhishek Sarkar from Techmaster, and I welcome you all to the next episode from Techmaster. So, as I promised, guys, that today is 31st of December, and in my previous video only, I promised that I will give you all a unboxing video, and the item has arrived to me on 25th. I will give you all the proofs in the video ahead, so please watch the video. And if you want to know more about my channel, for that you have to subscribe in the subscribe button down and hit the notification bell to get the notifications from YouTube for free. And the video about the vlogging is coming on 24th of Jan, as I've confirmed. So till then, stay tuned and let's go and see the unboxing. So guys, as you can see the package over here, it's I've got it from the Amazon. You can see over here, this is my address. Over here you can see, okay, see, this was delivered to me on 25th of December. Okay, so now I open you the box of this one and show you the amazing packet within it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, I have to cut this plastic also. You can see over here, it's a good packaging, guys, and this is it. Okay, and this is it. For this I was waiting for many days. I waited for it something like 7 to 8 months to gather the money. Okay, this is the best headphone, sorry, this is the best earphone and microphone that a YouTuber must have for making their videos. You can see clearly over here. I'm going to open up the packet and show you and also give you a sample testing. Okay, I'm going to open it up. See, how's it? It's amazing. Okay, this is the clip over here. You can see, this is the clip, this is the mic, and this is a 3.5 mm jack. I'm going to unwrap this thing, the ring over here. You can see, I'm going to unwrap the ring, and it has a long wire over here. See the wire over here, see how long it is. See how long. This is the jack and this is the mic over here. It cost me around 200 rupees. Okay, it cost me around 200 rupees. So for that I had to wait for 7 months to have the mount, because I bought it from my pocket money only. So it was my dream to work on YouTube with a better and good mic. You know, I work with the other one, the jack one, and the long headphone one I work with, you have seen in my videos. But this is the brand new. I have unboxed it just now, and you can see over here I'm very much excited about it. So let's go and have some tests with it. Okay, so listen to this one. This audio is without the microphone. Hello guys, can you listen? This audio is without the microphone. Hello guys, this audio I'm recording with the microphone that I've shown just now. And if you want to buy this microphone, The link of the microphone will be given in the description. You can go and check it out. And if you like my video, please comment down in the comment section how it is, how the unboxing review is. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell for getting more video updates from YouTube, and follow me on my social media handles to get the news about the vlogging video. So thank you, have fun, be healthy. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.